this is what the 69 Chevelle SS is supposed to look like when it's done.
Omni has finished tack welding on all the
Show me the tack weld.
On all the new body panels.
Okay, where else? Let's see where else he's tack weld.
He's also tack welded here. And see where else. Also here and here.
All right, show me all the other tack weld, Andrew.
Okay.
So some here.
So then here.
Some up here, looks like.
Yes.
And
some over there.
giờ cha làm gì vậy cha? I'm now making new pieces. He's fabricating new pieces to fill in all the gaps because he had to cut out all the rusty pieces, Andrew. So you can see that between the new panel and the old parts, I had to cut out all the rust. There's a gap in between. Can you lift it up, Omni? Lift out your new part. No, let's take it up. See, he had to cut, and there's that opening, so he had to fabricate new pieces to fit in there, Andrew, okay?
Okay. I cut the body panel already, and now
you mean he cut out the rusted part?
The rusted part.
Okay. And now he's fitting it. He's fitting in a new hand fabricated part to fit the gap there. Okay, Andrew, what's happening here?
So Omni has welded this part of it together.
So that's what the welds look like?
And then he grinded it to make it smoother, as you can see right here. And then he'll use Bondo, which he already used on here, to make it smooth like this, so somebody else can come along and paint it.
Awesome. Do you know how much it costs to restore a car like this? Well, in the case of this Chevelle, yes, it might be around $100,000. So start saving.
Dad, I'm ready for lunch now.